So today we're unboxing the Shark PowerDetect Vacuum Cleaner. This thing has got a ballistic amount of features. Let's run through. One of the main features that I think actually is cool and I haven't really seen on many other vacuums is this bin. So it's got to automatically empty. Basically, when you put it back on the base station, it's going to automatically dump into the trash, which is really cool. And it's designed to lock away dirt, dust, allergens, and odors with over 99.9% of dust and allergy reduction. So, and we've also got Flexology, so to get into those hard to reach places. Over on this side, we've got obviously the PowerDetect Intelligence, so you can boost power by up to 75%. Obviously, you're gonna have boost mode, eco mode, all of those good things. And it detects hidden dirt and automatically boosts the power to pick them up. Edge and corners, increase suction power to pull debris, so it should get into those tight nooks and crannies. And the great thing is it's good for carpet and floor, so it can basically sense the floor types and then optimize the performance accordingly. So let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we? See, on top you've got plenty of literature. Nice to see Arabic support for our region, which is really nice. Voila, one manual, so quick start guide, your full mammoth owner's guide, plenty of material there as well. Okay, so this is obviously a smaller brush roller, nice rubber edge, should be good for picking up dirt. Here's your main unit, good amounts of adjustability, it's spring loaded, which is nice. I presume that locks in, keeps it in an upright position. And then you look to have some sort of LED on here, which should shine up your area. And then you've got a foam roller, some soft bristles, and then this is a harder texture, also with some rubber along the edge. So here, your roller will come off if you want to keep it nice and clean. Will be the main tube shaft area. Interesting. This has got the so it's got locking mechanism, and then if you want to go under tight places, you can adjust that. Pretty cool. This, I presume, is for the bin, so it's the bit that clips in. We'll get to that bit in a second. And we got the main unit. Nice. Got like a brushed aluminium texture. Obviously, this is your storage tank. So we've got the battery here. It's a 81 watt hour battery, so it should last about 70 minutes cleaned. We'd obviously have to test that out. Then you've got the screen over here. Nice looking display. Nice solid connection. Obviously, you need the stand for it to sit properly. Just see what other accessories we have in the box. So another different type of soft bristle brush if you want to go on the couch or any other, on the back. Some more. Okay, so this is your tight to reach nooks and crannies. There we go. We have got a Shark Anti-Odor Technology dial cartridge. So it's kind of like an air freshener that you would see at the gas station. Replacement filter, fantastic. So here we have the base station. Let's see. I presume goes like so, but we need another piece to it. This section probably clips on like so. That locks into place. And then you've got this bit. So let's put it to the side. So when you drop it down into the stand, this then empties into here, and then it goes into the bin right here. And here is your bin section, which has got the odor neutralizer. So the odor neutralizer fits in there. But yeah, interesting looking unit. So you're supposed to charge the unit, obviously full battery and all of that, but we want to test it out and see what it's like. Let's turn it on. And I go off automatically. So you heard there, obviously the suction speed increased because it detected more dirt on the floor. You've got a little bit of cardboard inside, so I show you side action. Done. That's it. So you've got a now completely clean storage bin, waste bin, and then you can go and fetch in once again. Pretty cool.